Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi onigiri. First, ensure your short-grain rice is freshly cooked and still slightly warm. This warmth helps the rice stick together better. Next, season the rice with a tablespoon of sesame oil and a small pinch of salt. Gently fold these ingredients into the rice, being careful not to mash the grains. This creates the perfect base for your onigiri. Now let's prepare the star of our onigiri, the kimchi filling. Begin by finely chopping your favorite fermented kimchi. It's crucial to squeeze out any excess liquid from the chopped kimchi. This prevents your onigiri from becoming soggy. For an extra layer of flavor, mix the kimchi with a teaspoon of sesame oil and a quarter teaspoon of sugar. This balances the tanginess beautifully.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, imagine enjoying your favorite recipes or a great novel anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading on the go. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Time to assemble our onigiri. First, lightly wet your hands to prevent the rice from sticking. Take about 1/3 of a cup of seasoned rice and flatten it into a disc in your palm. Place a generous spoonful of your prepared kimchi filling right in the center. Then, cover the filling with another small amount of rice, gently pressing the edges together to seal it. With the filling sealed, it's time for the final shaping. Gently press and mold the rice into your desired shape, typically a triangle or a neat ball. Make sure the kimchi filling is completely enclosed and the onigiri feels firm. For an authentic touch and easier handling, wrap a strip of nori seaweed around the base of your onigiri. This adds a lovely umami flavor too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.